Hello, students. This is Mrs. Green and Beethoven. I'd like to welcome you to the Hampton-Dumont Elementary Music Online. The first thing I'd like to talk about are our online music room expectations. We're going to do the Bulldog Way, just like we did at school, and we're going to spell out the word bark. The B is for be safe. Only use sites that your parents and teachers have approved. A, act responsible. Do your own work and remember to do your work. R is for respect others, be kind, listen carefully, try not to talk when others are talking. The K, keep working hard, do your best. And remember, we all make mistakes. We might not be able to get it yet, but if we keep trying, we will succeed. Next, I'd like to talk about expectations. Number 1, log into Schoology when it's some music time. 2, make sure you join the Zoom meetings. 3, participate by asking questions and submitting examples of your work. And number 4, the most important, keep making music. Bye.